feel. Some people feel that money is intimidating. Other people feel that it's in short supply and they can't figure out how to get beyond that. Some people feel like it's dirty. Some people feel like it's unobtainable, right?
Here's one that I've seen recently. Some people feel like you have to be unethical to gain it.
Sure.
Because I don't know, because they don't deserve it. So they have to like swindle people. Have you ever seen that too?
Absolutely. We had a client last year call us and say, look, this money that we have as a family was generated by a family business. It's got a legacy, a history, et cetera. My kids are embarrassed by it. They don't want anything to do with it. They don't want to talk about it. And the first thing I did was recommend that all his kids read The Psychology of Money. And then we sat down and had a conversation. And after that, I think they started to realize where that false sense was coming from, why they were feeling that way. And it was more like, look, we didn't do this. This wasn't ours. So we kind of don't deserve it. And I said, okay, sure, your grandfather was an amazing guy and he started an amazing business and your parents have grown that business. And if you don't have the desire to be in that business, that's fine. But what they want for you, is for you to have the financial stability and the boldness, the confidence, the ability to spend, as we just said, guilt-free to pursue the dreams that you do want to pursue. Or if you decide you want to be a high school basketball coach, that's wonderful. But this money will give you the ability to live a life maybe a little bit better.
Freedom.
What you would do if you were just earning money as a high school basketball coach. And maybe you decide that because that money wasn't generated by you, you want to give a lot of it back. You want to be very philanthropic. You want to start a charity, or you want to, use that money to support other wonderful causes. That's fine. It's very important for people to understand their relationship with money before they can have financial confidence and before they can get to a place where they can spend guilt-free.
So good, man. Wow.